fix LMC 8.4 not working problem. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your LMC 8.4 not working problem. So to fix that problem, you have to follow this step. So here you have to go for your device setting here. Once you are on your device setting, you have to scroll down and go for the apps here. Under your apps, you have to go for the manage apps. And here you have to search for the LMC 8.4. Once you have searched for the LMC 8.4, you have to clear the all data and cache from here. And then you can fix your problem where the LMC 8.4 camera is not working. Also, you can uninstall this and reinstall this on your device. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix your not working problem of LMC 8.4 on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.